everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Sarah and I'm doing Vlogmas this year for the first time, so that means I'm going to upload a video every day in December, and it's going to be cleaning, organization or baking related. I'm currently on day 3, and for today's video I have another decorating Kim with me, and today I'm tackling my kitchen. So if you're in need of some cleaning motivation and decor ideas, just keep watching. Also, subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of my future videos.
Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the
Alright, I'm starting in the dining area today, and I just cleared the table of all the things that were on there, and now I'm wiping it down so I can bring all of my decorations here so I can see everything.
you close, forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh oh, la 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 la. Oh oh, la 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 la. Oh oh, la 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 la. Making our Christmas memories.
The first thing I'm going to do is clean that advent wreath because it was a little dusty from sitting in storage the entire year. This was a gift from my mother from 2 or 3 years ago, and it's made from some wooden frames and it has those silver and gold beads in it. I've been using it since I got it because it usually goes well with my red and silver or red or gold theme.
We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be?
I didn't have a chance to find the candles that I liked, and then everything closed again or it was sold out, so I'm just putting on candles from last year. I always like to save those so we can use them if we're out of power or something like that. But I actually thrown away one of the candles when I was spring cleaning this year just because it wasn't a lot of left, and I thought I will never use it again, but I replaced it with a plain red candle. Now I'm going to decorate this corner behind the bench, and this is where we keep our alcohol most of the time, but now I'm taking everything off and I'm going to dust the shelf before I start putting decorations on there.
And to see you again. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire, chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs, but when there's love there's always a way. And
I was so indecisive on how to decorate this corner. I knew I wanted this glass thingy with lights here and this ho 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 sign. I also had some trees, so I decided to put this sign in front, and then I put 2 little trees on the side with a snow globe, and on the other side I put a pine cone with red bow and this wooden Christmas tree with lights.
it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents. But it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. This year I'll think about how I'm so lucky to have a place that I can come home to. Yes, I am on my way. We'll put our differences aside and just enjoy this moment of peace and love and happiness. We come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling
The next thing I decorated was this corner on the counter. I never had any decorations on the counters because you can see that I don't have a lot of space in my kitchen, and in this corner I usually keep my spices and knives as well as some cutting boards, but I put all that away so I can put some decor on here. I'm wiping down the countertops with my Splendid kitchen cleaner before I start decorating.
Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents. But it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day.
So I had this letterboard on that shelf behind the bench, and I didn't know what to put on that at first, but then I saw this idea on Pinterest. It's a scene from Home Alone, so I put Merry Christmas, you filthy animal on here. I always love putting something fun on this letterboard, so this was just perfect. I also love those movies so much. It was our family tradition to watch them the week before Christmas, and I still watch them every year.
Yes, every time the snow is falling
I'm putting this
down
letterboard in
and
the
it
center
is cold
here, and I had another a little bit bigger tree that I put on the left side with a small glass candle holder, and on the other side I added another pine cone and this big silver ornament.
It means so much more than words can say, and I claim Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day.
And now that I'm done with decorating, I have to finish cleaning that kitchen, so I'm putting away the clean dishes and then I will start washing the dirty ones.
Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sun said it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart.
Moving to the stovetop, and I'm using my Dr. Beckman glass stovetop cleaner, and I used a special Villetta sponge for glass stovetops to scrub everything, and I also had to use a razor on some spots.
Christmas in my heart. Here we go. All right. Dance, dance, now this Christmas, we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance, dance, dance. Come on. Dance. We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time. Dance, dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
I also remembered that I still had this fall kitchen towel hanging on the oven handle, so I switched that with a Christmas one. Now I'm going to scrub the sink, and then the only thing left is vacuuming, and after that I will show you everything I did today.
Please jingle with me, darling. How much fun it's gonna be together. Now listen, why do I care how much it may snow? 'Cause I've got my love to keep me warm. And why do I care how much it may snow? I've got my love to keep me warm. Oh, winter weather, I love the winter weather. 'Cause Christmas time is pulling us closer to each other. Winter weather, now we can get together. Oh, Christmas time is pulling me closer to your heart.
I'm gonna jingle with you, baby. I wanna get to know you better. Babe. I'm gonna jingle, jingle, jingle with you now. How much fun it's gonna be together. Why do I care how much it may snow? 'Cause I got my love to keep me warm. Why do I care how much it may snow? 'Cause I got my love to keep me warm. Winter weather, I love winter love. Christmas time is pulling us closer to each other. Winter weather, now we can get together.
Oh, Christmas time is pulling me closer to your heart. Closer to your heart.
Yeah, closer to my heart.
Come on.
And that's the end of today's video. I hope you liked it. Tell me in the comments down below your favorite Christmas movie. I really want to know what you guys like to watch during the holidays. Thank you all so much for watching, and I hope you will join me in another video tomorrow. Bye!